So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best soap for acne, black spots, discoloration, and other kind of skin imperfections. I have been trying to clear acne, get rid of pimples on my face. I had a lot of pimples before. I reacted to one product that even led me to cutting my hair. So I'm going to be showing you the soap. I tried different products. I tried different creams for pimples and dark spots. None worked for me. Maybe because I have sensitive skin. Until I get hold of this soap. This soap is amazing. I'm going to show you the soap and I will tell you how you are going to use it to work for you. See my face before. This was how my face was before. Although it was even small here because I did not start recording it earlier, but this was how it was when I started recording it, until I started frying the soap, using the soap. The soap is working, trying to get rid of them totally. This is the soap. See, I don't use this one finish. It remains small. See, I see the remaining. See the remaining for this pack. Asantee, see it here, papaya and honey soap. This is the soap I'm using now. This soap has been working magic. I'm not even using cream, to be sincere. There's one cream I used. See this cream? I tried this cream. It's bright and clear cream. I used this cream. It's working, but it started working perfectly when I started using the soap. This is Asantee soap. I have been using this cream, but it wasn't that fast. Then I got the soap. This soap is what I asked for. The original has something like lots. See, when you check the original, you will see it wrote lots 08 there. Lot 08. I think fake one doesn't have it, and original one, see the color here. See the original one, the color. Original one has, I think, what other thing can you use to differentiate it? Original one, I think. Okay, let me show you from the other pack. See, I still have another pack here. Let me show you how you will identify the original one. If you open it, see the color of the pack here. See the color of the pack. You open the inside. See the inside. This side they wrote Asantee. I don't know if you can see it. See it here. They wrote Asantee on the original one. I think the fake one has something like papaya, something. I don't know. But see the original one. See the color here. See the color here. And original one has lots written on it. This one is lot 8, lot 8, 08. That has to know the original one. This soap saved my face. Let me not say my life, because God has been saving my life. Let me say it saved my face. See my face now. This was my face before. This was my face before. When I took these pictures, it was clearing. That time it was clearing. I just wanted you all to know that this soap works. This is not an advertisement. I am using it. See it here, and I'm going to show you how to use it. I just want to go to the bathroom and take my bath, and this is my soap. That's why I decided to share it with you guys. In case you are suffering from acne, pimples, dark spots, go get this soap. It works. This is how to use Asantee soap. Once you use it like this, see? See it like this. It foams well. This soap foams well. Like it foams. It foams. To tell you the truth. What I will do is that I will. Can you see? I will massage it gently on my face. Just gently. If it's too thick, use water again. After you have finished rubbing it on your face, you have to leave it for some minutes, maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes. If you have sensitive skin, don't leave it for more than 1 minute because it stinks. Do you understand what I'm saying? It stinks. Don't leave it for more than 1 minute if you have sensitive skin. But because I have sensitive skin, I have to wash it off now. I don't leave it for more than 1 minute on my skin, and it works. If you leave it for like 2 minutes, it will stink. Depending on the type of skin you have. It also helps to reduce sebum from the skin, from the face. You know that sebum causes acne. It used to clog pores. It can help to reduce production of sebum, excess production of sebum on the skin. So now you see it's drying now. It's not even up to 1 minute. Anyways, I'm going to wash it off now. Please, if you're having acne, I'm not saying, you know, what works for me might not work for you, but I'm just trying to tell you that this soap works. This soap works. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, okay?